If, say, someone had a stab wound to the chest and they wanted to see if there was any blood leaking out of the heart, this is a really good view for them.
This is the intercession program in cardiac surgery, and this week we'll be doing everything from observing physicians in the OR to suturing. It's going to be a really interesting week.
I'm going to talk about what cardiothoracic surgery is, how you get there. You're getting like just a little teeny tiny taste of it this week.
We've got bypass machines, we've got anesthesia machines, and so we then would test our surgical techniques or our medical devices in this operating room here. This is the transesophageal probe. It goes down through the esophagus, down behind the heart, and that enables you to get the views.
Pretend like it's an incision.
That's good. Well, you know what? I had it perfect.
What's everyone's most memorable moments?
I was able to see the heart beating right in front of me.
We saw the heart restart. That was mind-blowing.